Want to pack light and still look and smell cute? You're going to have to do laundry on vacation, honey, and here's how. So in my other videos, I've shown you packing methods that save space, but they also mean you'll probably end up doing laundry on the road. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to survive that glamorous ritual in your hotel room. All right, for today's little demo, we're working with socks. Why? Because I'm not about to show the entire interwebs my underwear. Not without a paywall, anyway. But don't worry, this works for most of your clothes. Shirts, dresses, some pants. This isn't a good method for denim, but we'll talk more about that later. Give your clothes a once-over. Any stains? How about the sniff test? Do any of your clothes have that unique musk of jet lag, tiny pretzels, and airplane seat upholstery? Now, when it comes to detergent, I like to keep it simple. I usually pack laundry detergent sheets because they weigh basically nothing and don't count towards your liquids allowance. Or I'll pack a tiny little bottle of Castile soap since that stuff is concentrated and can clean just about anything short of your conscience. I like Dr. Bronner's. Now, I know some people like those teeny little sink packets. I don't love them. They're messy, overpriced, and they have too many things that could give some of my family members a rash. But hey, if that's your thing, you do you. We're going to want to pack a sink stopper, maybe a travel clothesline, and grab some clean hotel towels. Now, before we go full-on pioneer woman here, let me just say, you do have options. Most hotels offer laundry service or washers and dryers, or if you're in a VRBO, some even come with a washer and dryer, which is basically winning the travel lottery. But this is a demo for those moments when you're stuck in a standard hotel room, staring at a sink, and realizing it's your only shot at fresh-ish clothes. Clean your sink. Washing your clothes with makeup or toothpaste is not the look. Grab your sink stopper. Trust me, hotel sinks are basically designed to not hold water. You'll end up chasing your soap suds around like it's a carnival game. With a stopper, you can actually fill the sink and pretend this is a normal laundry situation. Fill the sink. Not too hot, you're not boiling pasta. Dump in your chosen detergent, swish, agitate, pretend you're on one of those slow motion detergent commercials, except instead of being a chic model with a white linen dress, you're in your pajamas at 11 p.m. praying the hotel's water pressure is enough to rinse out 3 days worth of sweat. Now, drain the sink and rinse until the water runs out clear or until you're bored, whichever comes first. And now you want to squeeze out as much water as you can. The more water you squeeze out, the faster your clothes will dry. This is going to be the difference between wearable soon and mildewing in your suitcase. If you're washing something delicate like merino wool, don't wring it out, just gently squeeze. Here's the next move. Grab a dry towel. Lay your damp clothes on it, roll it up tight like a burrito, and press down. That towel will suck out even more water, basically giving your clothes a head start on the whole drying thing. This is the closest thing to a spin cycle you're going to get in a hotel room. Now for the grand finale, the drying setup. If you're really prepared, you packed one of those little travel clotheslines, 10 out of 10 recommend. When hanging your clothes, remember to hang your shirts by the bottom unless you like little puckers on your shoulders. If you don't have room for a clothesline, improvise. A chair works, a shower rod works, even a lamp if you're feeling chaotic. Just remember to throw a clean towel over whatever surface you're using first. That way you're not hanging your freshly washed shirt directly on a mystery-stained hotel chair that's seen some things. If you've chosen your fabrics wisely, your clothes should dry and be ready to go in 6 to 12 hours. Not everything needs the full soap and water treatment. Sometimes you just need a little refresh. A laundry refresher spray works wonders, and if you don't have one, here's an old theater trick. Mix 1 part cheap, unflavored vodka with 1 part water in a little spray bottle. Spritz it on your clothes, hang them up, and voila, odor neutralized. Your room will smell a little bit fratty for an hour or so, but it'll go away. And let's talk denim for a second. Jeans hate being washed. If you sink wash them, they take 3 to 5 fiscal business days to dry, and they come out feeling like cardboard. Instead, give them a vodka spritz or Febreze them to the gods. Hang them near some air and call it a day. Your jeans will thank you by not turning into crunchy sandpaper pants. Oh, and never underestimate the power of a Tide stick. That little pen is basically a pocket-sized miracle worker. Random mystery stain, handled. It won't fix your life choices, but it will fix the front of your shirt. Sometimes that's enough. So there you have it, my glamorous travel life. Scrubbing socks in a sink and hanging them on furniture like avant-garde art. But at least my socks don't smell anymore. For now. If you got a laugh, learned something, or just feel a little better about your own life choices after watching me do laundry on camera, do me a favor. Hit like, subscribe, and stick around for more of the okayest travel tips on the internet. Thanks for watching.